Hi everyone, my name is Stephanie and I am a founder. I give Copper a 2 out of 5. For more reviews like this, click down below. So prior to using Copper, I had found while using my Gmail account, I had a lot of emails, different contacts from all over the place, and I didn't really have a system that I could use to recall who this person was, how I met them, what can I utilize them for. If they were a candidate, for example, could I take some notes on them for the future? So a lot of these things were being missed, and I just had a large email database with a ton of emails and it was hard for me to remember who was who, how I met them, etc. So the reasons why I chose Copper was number one, due to the fact that it integrates with Gmail. I know that they do a great integration from what I had been reading. Number two, it looked like I was able to then go into the Copper interface and enter in additional details, which was also synced with my Gmail. So I could log into either platform. And number three, sorry, it could also house data that I would then require in the future in the case I didn't recall where this email came from or who this person was. And then last, it also kept track of new emails that came in. And when I went into Copper, I would then have to say who this person was and kind of add them to my Copper CRM database. So in starting, to use Copper, I ran into some difficulties in regards to my Gmail account not linking or syncing with Copper. There was a lot of duplication with the emails, even though um, it was the same person emailing me. Copper wasn't picking that up, so there would be duplicates. So it wasn't saving me any time. It was actually kind of frustrating me. I had reached out to them to try to fix this, but there were just a few different issues. I think for anyone thinking about using copper, I would recommend to get a trial and see if it works for you, see how the integration works, and maybe try to do it on a day when you know you're going to be getting quite a few different emails, especially from the same person. And just make sure that when you are then entering into the copper interface on there through the portal, that you're not getting a ton of duplicates like I was because it was quite frustrating. And at the end of the day, it just was not saving me time like I hoped it would.